This is a place where I feel
How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be talking you through how to maintain your front axle. This will be pretty similar for most modern sport bikes. So to start, you want to get the bike on a rear stand and a front. While you have the bike on the stand, you might as well just spin the tire, inspect it, see if it's worn out, worn unevenly, or has any kind of nails or stuff in it. To start, you're going to remove the brake calipers. On this bike, they're going to be radial mount, and then some older street bikes will have just a normal mounting. But either way, it should just be 2 bolts. Then you're going to want to loosen the pinch bolts, which will be in the bottom of the fork leg. On this bike, the axle threads into the fork leg. Once you get ready to pull the axle out, I usually like to sit in front of the bike and support the front tire with my foot. So once you have the axle out, you're going to go ahead and clean it. I usually use carb clean. It's pretty harsh, but it gets most of the stuff off pretty easily. And then I'll go ahead and grease the axle. Another thing I like to do is to clean and inspect the bearings in the hub of the wheel. Just kind of rotate them, see if they're crunchy at all, and then get them cleaned off with something a little less harsh. Here I'm going to be using this muck off stuff that's real nice, and it's paint safe, plastic safe, and rubber safe. You want to pay attention that whatever you're using doesn't strip paint or damage rubber. Next I'm going to use brake clean, and I'm going to go ahead and clean and inspect my brake rotors. So I'm just going to look for excess wear, any kind of obvious warping. I also always like to clean my rim when I have it off the bike just because it's easier to get it real clean. When I go to reinstall it, I'm going to make sure that the 2 spacers are in place. I'm going to support the wheel with my foot. I'm going to hold it level and then insert the axle through. Another thing to note with the brakes is you're going to want to go ahead and pump the brakes up before you ride. What happens is when you take the rotor in and out, you kind of spread the pad apart and you lose pressure at the lever. So if you go to ride, you won't have any brakes. So thank you guys for watching. That's how to grease your axle. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave them in the comments or hit me up on any of those social medias listed in my description. And also, I still do have that giveaway going, so sign up for that for a free oil change. Details are going to be down in the description. Till next time, guys, peace out.
Hush.